everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is J 120th out of 365 days for improving our English. So, how are you all? I hope you are all doing great and make daily improvements towards your English. Today I completed my 4 months of beautiful English journey, and I am very happy to share all of the things related to my English, what I learned in this journey, and what mistake I did. Okay, so let me categorize this video in many parts. So first of all, I want to say that what I did for 120 days. 5 biggest changes I had noticed. My biggest mistake during 120 days practice. What actually worked for me? What didn't work? My advice to someone who is starting English today. In the last, my next goal is day 365. In this way I'm going to categorize all my parts of. First of all, I want to talk about what I did in 120 days. I'm daily speaking in front of camera, learn daily vocabularies, listening to the English music, videos, and watch podcasts, movies, etc. And doing regular practice. Second thing is that 5 biggest changes that I noticed. First of all, I make improvement in my confidence. In the first day of my English practice, my confidence is not at all so great. Okay, so I am starting to make improvements in English, but day after day, my confidence become a top notch. And second thing is that pronunciation. Pronunciation is very very important. I'm always hesitate to pronounce a different words at a different pace. We are Indians and we are not capable to speak like that Americans or Europeans. Like we have always thinking, but I changed that perspective towards in my mind and thinking my pronunciation getting starting to change. I'm always listening to that videos who is always pronounced in American or European, so that day by day my and time by time my pronunciation eventually get changed. Okay, so third thing is that my fluency. Like in the starting, you can also check my video. My fluency is not at all good. I'm speaking one word or one sentence and taking some rest, or I'm stuck in between. And now I can express everything in a very lucrative and a very smooth way. It is very important that if we are learning if we are learning any new language, fluency is very essential thing. And the last thing is that I gain new and different mindset. Many of you have different mindset that we are not capable to learn English because it's not our language. In uh, India there is a very special and we can say very famous newspaper called The Hindu. And in today's newspaper there are some article that can we make Indian as a native language. So this is the talk of saying, and we can say that it is a matter, and we are thinking that it is a foreign language. No, we have to think that we are colonized by Britishers for 200 years, and in 2047 we are completed a 300, no, we can say that 100 years of independence. We can say that 200s of colonization and 1 year of one, no, not 1 year, 100 year of independence. Then we had completed 300 years of English colonized. Okay, so it is very easy and simple. Third thing, I want to talk about my biggest mistake during 120 days practice. I'm always focusing upon perfection. Now onwards I am always focused on perfection, that what if I made mistakes, and what if I replaced this verb to that verb, and what's happened when I am not putting perfect and correct preposition, adjectives, adverbs. So what's happened? There is not matter at all. The matter is that you are always speak in front of mirror or front of camera, or you are making everyday practice. This is very very important thing. Nothing matter other than that. Second mistake is that I'm always learning new vocabulary without knowing the actual usage of it. Like many people having did the same mistake, and I am doing the same. Like from now, I think that I don't have to do like that type of mistake, and I am doing a sectional learning. Like there I'm not learning random vocabularies. There are specific vocabulary, like it is related to our home, it is related to our college, it is related to our office, working area. So I'm learning like on specific area. Like if you are going to go going to airport, and there are different vocabulary used in airport, and there are different vocabulary used in train. So at that way I'm learning my vocabulary. And third mistake I did, that I'm always comparing myself from fluent speaker. Like I'm making and I'm watching videos of fluent speaker, and I'm always thinking, and I'm always FOMO that I am not speaking so well like they are. But they have very great practice behind that. You know, they are natives, and they are always perfect in English or their native language. So there is no, we have not a inferior complexity towards English. So I am avoiding all these feelings from myself, because I am always bound by these feelings, not in a single area, not in English, but I am always felt with this same problem in every sector. So I think that we have to avoid, or we have to not thinking about this. And the next thing is what actually worked for me. I'm a person who is always consistent. First of all, I think that I have to record myself. Recording is very essential thing in my challenge. I'm always regularly recording myself. And second thing is that I'm always speaking in front of camera. It's normal thing. Okay. Third thing is that I am always speaking about real things, like what I learned in my academics, what I learned from a competitive examination, and what I actually learned from my life lessons. These I compiled, and then I present my views in front of you all. Lastly, I want to say that what didn't work for me. First thing is that memorizing huge list of vocabulary, and excessive use of grammar, trying to sound perfect, always comparing myself with others. So this is not worked with me, and I'm always actively research on this, and many time I am starting to practicing to not focusing upon these things. Okay, so this is, I think you understand, and going to implement what I learned and what I practiced in these 120 days. So like my next goal is 365 days, and I'm very happy and very excited to reach that day. And honestly, what I'm saying, honestly, I am not thought that I completed my 120 days. I will complete my 120 day, but it is achieved. It is looking like easy, but in starting it is not looking as same as it is. So this is, I think, all for today. Stay tuned with your growth and development, and have a nice day. Bye bye.